If you're considering buying Archbee, the YC21-backed knowledge management software, there are a few things you should know before diving in. Whether you're comparing it to competitors like Notion or Confluence, or trying to understand if it's the right fit for your business, you'll want to stick around for all 7 points I'm about to cover. Let's get started. First up, Archbee is all about streamlining how teams document and share knowledge. The interface might seem minimal at first, but that's where the power lies. It's designed to be super intuitive. It's got a unique approach, combining documentation, wikis, and internal knowledge bases all in one. If you're familiar with tools like Confluence, you'll notice that Archbee offers similar functionality, but with a sharper focus on collaboration and ease of use. Next thing, Archbee's structure is highly flexible. While Notion tends to excel at note-taking and task management, Archbee is specifically crafted for scaling your documentation process. This makes it a good choice for teams who need to document technical knowledge or APIs without it getting too cluttered. If you're looking to manage complex systems or software documentation, Archbee's Markdown editor is a game changer. It integrates seamlessly with your code, making it super easy for developers to write and maintain docs right alongside their projects. The third thing to consider is Archbee's speed and performance. One thing you'll appreciate here is that the platform is fast and responsive, even when working with large sets of data. For teams dealing with thousands of pages or complex files, tools like Notion can slow down over time, but Archbee keeps it running smoothly. It's designed for scalability, which means your team can grow and Archbee will keep up. So, if you're building out a knowledge base for a rapidly expanding team or a tech-heavy business, this could be a solid fit. Next, Archbee offers strong integrations. It's got built-in connections with Google Drive, Slack, GitHub, and Figma, among others. Unlike competitors like Confluence, which sometimes require external add-ons to achieve similar functionality, Archbee makes these integrations native and easy to set up. This means you won't have to go hunting for third-party apps to sync your workflow. Everything works together right out of the box. Moving on, one of the standouts with Archbee is its powerful API. If you need to automate certain parts of your workflow or integrate Archbee with your own tools, this API is incredibly developer-friendly. Compared to Notion, which is more of a generic tool, Archbee lets you do more customization at scale. It's perfect if you're looking for deeper integrations or need to build custom functionality on top of your documentation. The sixth thing is Archbee's pricing model. It's pretty competitive for what it offers, especially considering that it targets growing teams and technical businesses. When you compare it to the cost of something like Confluence or even Notion's enterprise plans, Archbee offers an affordable option without sacrificing features. They have flexible pricing tiers, and if you have under 5 users, it's completely free. The paid plans are scalable as your team grows, and you only pay for what you use. Lastly, Archbee's customer support is worth mentioning. You won't be left hanging in case you run into any issues. Archbee's team is responsive and provides quick resolutions, and that's a huge deal for teams working on critical projects. Their help center is well organized, and they also offer chat support, which many other tools lack. If you want to try out Archbee for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description to access the best free trial available and get some exclusive benefits. Trust me, this tool could be a game changer for your team's documentation and collaboration efforts. Make sure you check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.